Hello everybody and welcome to the Rolla Public Library story time. And I wanted to tell you about some special events going on this month. It's the 100th anniversary of women being able to vote. So we have a suffragette display and you can ask for a collection of books that tell you all about how women got the chance to vote. Books like this, and it's also National Hispanic Heritage Month, and so you can ask for books about Hispanic heritage or books by Spanish authors, and we'll be able to get those for you and bring them to your vehicle when you come by curbside. Also remember to ask for your story time activities. You get one activity for each week. If you forgot last week's bag, that's all right. Go ahead and ask for it and then grab this week's activity. You'll be making a dinosaur hat. And you're gonna wanna make sure you have that hat finished to wear for Thursday's story. Remember, we put videos up for you with the story every Tuesday and Thursday on our website, Facebook, or YouTube. Okay, here at Storytime, we're all friends, and we have a special song. Do you remember it? All right, let's give it a go. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. Now, let's look in the Magic Storytime bag to find out clues to our story today. All right, what? The first clue is opening the bag. How can that be? Oh, did you hear that? The zipper made a sound. Do you think that sound was quiet or loud? We use our ears for listening at Storytime, don't we? And our eyes for watching. So let's see what the clues are. Oh, look. It's one of the books you can check out. The beach is loud. Ooh, sounds can be quiet, normal, or loud, right? And we try to be quiet in the library. We talk normal at home, and you can be loud outside, right? As much as you want. Oh, yep. This is a book all about sounds. You can get books about how your ear works. Oh, look, it's a rabbit. I bet we'll have a rabbit character in our book. Oh, look, maracas. Hey, let's practice making sounds. You can do this with me at home. I have the maracas, but you could do this, or you could clap. And we're going to practice quiet, normal, and loud. So let's try being quiet. Okay, really quiet, like. All right, and normal. And now really loud. Very good. So we have quiet, normal, and loud. Now, let's find out what our book is. Oh, look, today we have two. We have the quiet book and the loud book. And they are both by, Deborah Underwood. The Quiet Book. There are many kinds of quiet. Quiet can be delicate. It can be thundering. Quiet can be sweet and cozy and can most definitely help you fall asleep. So this book is going to help us learn about different types of quiet. So have your eyes for watching and your ears for listening. We need to keep our eyes open for a bunny and those maracas, right? It'll show up in either this book or the next book. There are many kinds of quiet. First one, awake quiet. Jelly side down quiet. Oh, they dropped their sandwich. Don't scare the robin quiet. Others telling secrets quiet. Hey, you can say that word with me. Each page there'll be a sentence and then it'll say quiet. And can you see how those letters are lowercase? When something's lowercase, it usually means you read it quietly, right? Coloring in the lines quiet. Thinking of a good reason you were drawing on the wall quiet. Uh-oh. Hide and seek quiet. What animal is hiding behind the chair? I think it's the moose. Oh, last one to get picked up from school quiet. Swimming underwater quiet. Pretending you're invisible quiet. Which page is the bunny on? This page? No, there's the bunny. Lollipop quiet. First look at your new hairstyle quiet. Sleeping sister quiet. Right before you yell, surprise quiet. Making a wish quiet. Top of the roller coaster quiet. Best friends don't need to talk quiet. Surprise visit from Aunt Tilly quiet. 2 iguanas bite quiet. Before the concert starts quiet. Trying not to hiccup quiet. First snowfall quiet. Car ride at night quiet. Too many bubbles quiet. Story time quiet. Tucking in chatty quiet. Bedtime kiss quiet. What flashlight quiet. See, they're supposed to be going to bed, but they're up reading. Do you stay up reading in bed with your flashlight? Oh, look at that. The flashlight is making the cactus look kind of scary. You can make all kinds of shadow puppets and designs with a flashlight in the dark. And sound asleep, quiet, the end. Well, I want to show you now the loud book. Remember, quiet, normal, loud. Bang, crackle, boo. Just as there are different kinds of quiet, there are also different kinds of loud. Good louds, hooray! And bad louds, crash, like something broke. And accident louds that make you the center of attention, like a burp. So we're going to learn about different kinds of louds. The Loud Book by Deborah Underwood. And if you look, all the words are capitalized. So we're going to have to be loud with this book. There are lots of louds. Alarm clock loud. Ring. Last slurp loud. Uncle Alexander's old car loud. Walking to school song loud. La 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 la. Burp during quiet time loud. Fire truck day at school loud. And they're about to scare their friends with a skeleton, aren't they? So a surprise loud, like when you get scared. Ah! Dropping your lunch tray loud. Crash. Home run loud. Why, that little duck has a kazoo. Oh no, they hit the ball through the window. Crash. So that's a oops loud. Unexpected entrance loud. And when after someone gives a performance, they've given a performance and people have thrown flowers at them. Applause loud. A crowded pool loud. Belly flop loud. Thunderstorm loud. Oh no, you're normally supposed to be quiet in the movie theater, right? But there, candy wrapper loud. Spilling your marbles in the library loud. And here they're bowling and they make a strike, so they got lots of points. So that's a good crash loud. Oh no. Some things fell and broke. That's a bad crash loud. And here they're eating cookies when they're not supposed to. And you can tell they're in trouble. That's a deafening silence loud. Garage avalanche loud. Parade in the park loud. Oh no, they're sad because there's ants all over their food. Ants loud, so they're crying. Aunt Tilly's banjo band loud. Fireworks loud. Crackling campfire loud. Collapsing tent loud. Snoring sister loud. And they're trying to sleep outside. Crickets loud. So what are some other loud noises you can think of? The end. All right. Our next story time on Thursday is going to be Natsumi by Susan Lindroth. And Natsumi is a little girl trying to find a hobby that matches how much she loves to be loud. And notice she has a dinosaur hat on, so have your dinosaur hat ready for story time on Thursday. And I'll see you then. Bye!